So the market has been experiencing a lot of volatility. There's been ups, there's been downs, and we're waiting to see basically if this massive surge to the upside is going to be triggered. The big thing we're waiting on is spot Bitcoin ETF approvals. I've said before that obviously this pump has been really fueled by that. That's what got us to these levels in the first place for SHIB, for BTC, and speculation, guys, it goes both ways. Obviously, we got hit with some speculation on Wednesday, that we weren't going to get spot Bitcoin ETF approvals this week. Market went through a flash crash, major pullbacks, obviously huge opportunities to accumulate. We saw that SHIB pulled back all the way down. I believe it was, I never saw it at 5083. I believe it was in the low 50s9s. I know I did some accumulating down in this range right here. I believe 5093 or so. And BTC pulled back to, like 40K or 41K or whatever it was. And now we've gotten some speculation the opposite way. All right. Sources report that Bitcoin spot ETF is going to be approved by the sector for multiple firm applications. Now, this is expected today to be happened. This was actually retweeted out by Dan Gambardello, Crypto Capital Venture, yesterday. And so we may get this news today. And the market obviously took that news as good and rallied. And now we've kind of pulled back. We've cooled off a little bit again. Again, we're experiencing just these wild swings. We're all over the place. Now, I will say this. There is some reporting going on that we are as close to done as we've ever been in terms of a spot Bitcoin ETF approval. Now, this is from a senior Bloomberg ETF analyst. What they said was the SEC is giving final comments as we speak. This was yesterday afternoon. Then issuers will submit the final 19B4s and the S1 soon after, or S1S. So I mean, this is definitely as close to done as we've been, but no official approval as far as I know. Now, I will say this. We obviously went through this big sell-off event, right? This big correction. I don't know if we don't get any news, if we just continue to trade sideways or consolidate, right? It would not surprise me if BTC continues to just kind of make a move like this. I will say SHIB actually is showing a little strength. We're kind of starting to work our way back to the upside. Biggest thing that we're fighting with here, guys, is this level right here, this 401. That is a range that historically we've struggled with. You can see that it's been a strong range of resistance. We've tried to push on it many times. We've gotten rejected many times. But the biggest thing is just getting back above this level. Remember, SHIB wants to make this move right here. This is what we're all trying to work for here. Actually placing this on here, it kind of makes more sense now, fighting this resistance line here. This is where we are really trying to break through. And the biggest thing that's going to get us there is some semblance of news when it comes to spot Bitcoin ETFs. So pay attention this week. This is going to be very telling. All right. BTC is trying to make this exaggerated move. It's trying to make this move to 50K. All right. This is the number that everybody's talking about. It would not surprise me if once we got some approval, if charts just started running wild, if we saw BTC go on a wild swing to the upside, if we saw SHIB do something similar. But right now, don't be surprised if we just don't have much happen. Now, we may get some information today. Definitely keep your eyes open, keep your ears open. I'll try to keep you guys updated, but that's essentially what's going on right now. Some boring, sideways trading, not much happening, kind of what we experienced for a lot of 2023. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Show your support below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.